Sometimes it so happens that, especially in IVF pregnancies, these are high risk patients. Sometimes they are carrying twin pregnancies. So, if in such a case there is a preterm delivery, a very early preterm delivery, and the baby goes to the NICU, then the situation comes that how to breastfeed, how the baby can get the best milk possible. So let's ask Parul Mudit Mishra, who is a lactation consultant in Kharadi, how can you help to protect this milk supply? What can be done?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for asking this question. So first thing that you need to know about this is that the breast milk is produced in 16 weeks of pregnancy. So which means the moment you hit 16-week mark, you're already producing them. So it's already there. Now let's look at the part wherein when the baby comes, how will the baby feed? So if it's a preterm baby, maybe under 2 kgs, we cannot directly latch the baby. But we can use a breast pump, which should be a hospital grade pump. It's very affordable. It has to be a hospital grade pump because those pumps are designed in such a manner that they can take the milk out for the mother. Then a safe transportation to the NICU. So for a baby which is threatened baby or a highly preterm baby, you want to get the milk which has been freshly expressed in the last 24 hours. When you're transporting it, use ice packs for this. And the moment the baby is in a situation wherein baby can latch, first start with premature infant oral motor intervention. It's called PIME. It's very important because the baby at 35 weeks in womb is learning how to suck, swallow. And then at birth, it combines suck, swallow, and breathe. So if the baby's not learned the suck, swallow, and then it has to breathe, and then you're trying to train without doing PIOME, sometimes the baby might not just transfer. So one is thinking of feeding, but the baby is not transferring. So we need to teach the baby, we need to protect the supply, and then we need to put them together.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for letting us out this.
Thank you so much.